Hey man, what's good, man? It's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. As y'all can see, I'm driving the SRT. Still don't know a good name to call her. About to show y'all real quick what she looks like. She is dirty. In this video, first and foremost, I'm gonna be talking about all the stuff that I have gone through with her since I bought her. So far, I've owned this car for about 4 months. Let's say 3, pushing 4 months now. And we've been through a lot already. So we're gonna get into it in a little bit. Let me show y'all what she looking like right now. There's a car show over there, but this is her right now. This is what she looking like. She's been through a lot, man. She's been through a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all everything she's been through in a second. Don't mind, she is very dirty. She is extremely dirty. So just excuse the fact that she's dirty right now. I'm gonna get her washed. I detailed the interior myself literally today, right before I started recording. So this is what she looks like. I'm giving y'all all the angles right now. She look good, but she is dirty at the same time. And boom. Look at her from the back, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The one thing I want to do is get some louder exhaust though. Louder exhaust, but we're gonna get straight into the drive. This is my first drive in this car on this channel. So we got a lot to cover in this video, or a lot for me to tell y'all. But first and foremost, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, comment down below and share the video. All that, appreciate y'all. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. I think we're like 15 off at the time I'm recording this video. But hey man, let's get it started, man. Let's get it started. Let's get it popping. Let's not have the music play because I don't want us to get copyrighted. But first and foremost, you always want to buckle up, y'all. Always want to buckle up. Do not drive a car and not put on your seatbelt. And also be careful of the pedestrians, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people, let me fix the view. There's a lot of people that don't care about pedestrians, they're bugging, okay? We're not gonna tweak out yet. I'm gonna let y'all hear and see all the stuff, bro. Launch control in this car is crazy though. Launch control on this car is absolutely crazy. Oh my god, I had too much. I haven't launched it mad long due to the things I'm about to cover in this video that I've gone through with this car already. But yeah, so we're gonna start it off in a second. I guess I could start chatting right now, might as well, you know what I'm saying? Might as well start chatting right now. But so I bought this car end of July, towards the end of July, something like that. And the first 3 weeks, everything was smooth, man. Everything was smooth, no issues. Then boom, it was raining one fateful night. It was raining, not even a night, one day. Hold on, let's do this for a second. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I be forgetting. I want to call her, I want to give her a name already, but sheesh, bro. It's always so fun driving this car, bro. She be taking off, no cap. No cap, she be taking off. But anyways, back to my story. It was one day, let me go out the window. One day I was driving this car, it was raining a lot, right? And I had to go pick up my shorty. Had to go pick up my shorty and what you call it? It usually doesn't even flood in the area, so apparently it was flooding. There was a Amber Alert that went on after the fact, right? But when I'm trying to pick up my shorty, boom, I came to a red stoplight. I'm the only car going that way. There's no cars coming my direction, right? Boom, I'm driving forward, going the speed limit, 40. All of a sudden, it just feels like the car lunged forward, you know what I'm saying? I was like, what the fuck did I hit? I know I didn't hit none. Bruh, I was in about, I'm not gonna drag it, 3 inches to 4 inches of water. And at this time, I had a splitter on this car, right? So all that damage went to shit, bro. It destroyed everything underneath my car. It destroyed my wheel wells. It destroyed the fuck is wrong with this road? It destroyed my wheel wells. It destroyed my engine splash shield down there. It destroyed my my paint job, my front bumper. All that basically cost me, after getting the whole front bumper paint and everything, around $3,000.
Wow, man. Damn.
All because of water, bro. All because of water. It fucked up my horn as well. As of right now, I do have everything fixed. Hold on. Oh my gosh, she sounds crazy. Oh my gosh, she sounds so crazy, man. Yo, but as of right now, I do have everything fixed. This sun is right in my eye, bro. Even though it hurt my pockets immensely, it took about a month and a half to finally get everything fixed. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I was dead tight because I just bought the car. I can't even really drive it. You feel me? I was pissed off, I ain't gonna lie. It made me not even want to post videos. But I ended up posting some videos here and there. But after all that happened, right, literally, let's say a week, 2 weeks after I got everything fixed down below, the horn fixed, the full 9, right? I'm driving the car. I was about to get ready to record a POV for y'all. And then boom, I'm hearing squealing when I'm like rolling around in the parking lot. I'm like, what the fuck going on? So I pulled over. I popped the trunk. When I tell you, bro, you wouldn't even believe it. Coolant was spraying everywhere in my engine bay, nigga. Everywhere. Bro, everywhere. I shut off my car so quick, bro, and then I had to get it towed, right? And I was thinking, like, what happened, right? What happened? What could have caused this issue? So it was a few days from that moment. I'll say 2 days ago, I picked up my Jeep from the dealership. They were working on what they thought. After I took it in for oil change, they said there was a squeaking sound in the car, right? They were thinking it was probably the engine mounts that gone bad, right? So I was like, okay. I'll ask them how much that shit cost. They said $1,400. Oh my lord, $1,400. I'm already reiterate it again, $1,400. So I was like, you know what? I'm ready in the money pit, might as well. So boom, I took it there. They said, oh, it's not even the engine mounts, it's a bracket that was causing the squeaking sound. So when they took the bracket off, everything shifted right, and I end up in the right position, right? So when I tell you, when I get this, when I saw and fast forward now a day later, when the coolant is leaking everywhere, right? I'm like, my hose that broke, it was rubbing against the serpentine belt, right? And I was like, in the past, my hose was never that close to be rubbing. Oh my gosh, she sound like a Hellcat low key with the intakes, bro. But anyways, my coolant hose was never rubbing, bro. So I started thinking, whenever they were fixing a bracket or whatever, they somehow moved my coolant hose closer to that belt. Something shifted. It wasn't adding up, bro. So I dead got tight, and I called them. I was like, yo, I just had the car in the shop. A day later after I get in, I find out coolant is leaking, and it probably was leaking for a long time since I picked it up. So I'm, you know what I'm saying, I'm over there talking with them. They're like, he's over there saying nice. You want me to go again? Hold on. My fault, chat. I say chat. Hold on. Should I try launch control right here? Yeah, I'm gonna try launch control for y'all. Fuck it. Might as well. The car is doing great. The car is doing amazing. But anyways, I take it to the shop. They're saying, oh, my previous owner probably didn't put it on right. A bunch of bullshit. They're trying to cover their ass. End up costing me because they changed the hose and everything. And they changed the clamp in the middle, which I'll show y'all in a minute. Hold on. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't do that in that long. Yo, this car is dumb fun, bro. I ain't gonna cap, bro. This car, even though she took all my money, I'm happy right now. I ain't gonna cap, bro. I'm happy as shit. No cap. Back to my story. I'm sorry I'm back. I'm jumping back and forth, but hopefully y'all are chilling, eating food, getting ready for bed, whatever the case may be, right? They were trying to make some excuses to cover their ass about why the hose wasn't their fault. So I ended up paying $300. Boom. I ain't gonna lie, I took it to the chain. I could afford it more, honestly, because my hose was never rubbing until they, you know what I'm saying, change whatever the bracket. But I was just ready for everything to be done with, bro. So that was just my that has been my experience these past 3 to 4 months of owning this car. I won't say it's been mechanical issues. The hose is the only like mechanical issue that I've ever had with the car, but the other thing was weather related. So I just kind of had bad luck. But I hope y'all pray for me that nothing else bad happens, because I've been wanting to do mods for this car. All the stuff I fixed on this car could have been my money. I spent like $4,000 after buying the car to fix up the car. You feel me? The majority of that money was because of the water damage that ripped off my bumper and splitter. I don't even have a splitter no more. My friend Andrew was telling me, yo bro, don't even bother about getting a splitter, but I feel like the splitter looks so much better, you know what I'm saying? And the car sits high right now. It's on stock springs. I want to lower it down just a little bit, you feel me? So it just looks a little bit cleaner. But I want y'all in the comments down below to let me know. My mom calling me. Where my phone at? Let me know in the comments down below some mods I should do in the future. I want to definitely lower it down. They have a thing there now. What the fuck? I definitely want to lower it down to the ground a little bit, not like slammed, hell nah. But I want to also get a exhaust on there. Or it might not be the exhaust per se. I just need headers. I want her to be loud, you feel me? I want her to be kind of obnoxious, because that's the type, you know what I'm saying? My G37 is louder than this car, I believe. I ain't gonna lie, I know. Even though my 37 does have headers in it, does have a catback exhaust, you know what I'm saying? My G37 basically fully modded out, except for the turbo. I haven't turboed it, so yeah. Look at this truck gaining up on me. But yeah, that's my story to y'all, man. I know I've been rambling a lot today. I know I've just been chatting, but hopefully this first POV of the Jeep on this page is what y'all want to see. I have other things in mind that I want to do. I'm gonna show y'all the hose at the end of this video, what the engine bay looks like. Mind you, it was completely clean. The coolant fucked it up, so now I'm gonna get the engine bay cleaned again. So don't worry about it. I'm letting y'all know right now. Ignore the engine bay, okay? It looked better, and I will make it look better in the future, because I don't like all that white shit on it. That coolant was everywhere, man. But pray for me, y'all. I'm gonna say it again. Pray for me that there's nothing else that happens with this car. Just everything is smooth and I can spend my money on things I want to spend my money on. You feel me? If you're planning on buying a car, this is the best way I can phrase it. If you're planning on buying a car, always make sure you have some cushion money. Never empty your bank account dry, because in my scenario, if I empty my bank account dry and then all this stuff happened, I would have been fucked. You know what I'm saying? Can't pay no bills, can't do nothing because of all the damage, like the $4,000 extra damage and whatever. You feel me? So keep in mind, if you're planning to buy anything that's huge, a big purchase, just have extra money, bro. Even though you want the car badly, trust me, I understand. But if I never did what I did, I would have been totally fucked, and I don't want y'all to be fucked. You feel me? I'm looking out for y'all, all right? Yes, sir. And I'm about to check the coolant, because ever since that coolant issue happened, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I've been having a little bit of like, I just been nervous. I have to check my engine bay every time just to make sure nothing is rubbing or anything like that. Let's back in right here. I need to vacuum shit anyway, so I'm killing 3 birds with 1 stone in this video. Alright, y'all, I'm about to get ready to show y'all the engine bay. Give me 1 second. Yo, niggas is looking at me crazy too. Y'all ready? She dirty as hell, so ignore it. So boom, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Let me make sure it's showing y'all everything I need. So this right here was rubbing against right here, the serpentine belt right here, and it was like so close. This clamp I'm jacking, they fucked up the clamp in the past when I took it to the shop the other day. But they put a whole new clamp. This screw wasn't even there before, so they screwed it down so that this was no way ever should this hose ever hit the serpentine belt ever again. So yeah, ignore the mess. It will be cleaned. It was not looking like this before. But yeah, man, y'all be safe. I love y'all, man. And yeah, this is the car for real.
Shut up, bitch.
I don't really care about nada. Young nigga popping a collar. She can be burn like a scholar. Might shoot it up, but I won't be a father. Had a hoe popping a pill. She seen me popping a pill. Shit like you know that addiction is real. Don't give a fuck, I just like how it